Okay, so let's start with this new video, and here we'll be finishing the basic things. Okay, in previous video we also discussed about the basic things, so now we will also do the same. So I think operators and these things was done. Now we will continue from this JavaScript keywords. Okay, the keywords are the reserved word that have special meaning in JavaScript. Okay, let is the keyword used to define the variable. In if you remember, in case of C language, there was int, float, okay, char, this type of things. But here we need not to specifically tell which type of variable we are storing or want to store. We can simply write let, then variable name, then directly we can store the any type of variable. Okay, so that is the thing. That is advantage of JavaScript, you can say. Advantage or disadvantage also in some cases. So for now, we need not focus on that. But yeah, that's the thing. And next, define the variable. Next, they have defined the variable. We have already discussed. You are familiar also with it. Next function is the keyword which tells the browser to create a function. Definitely. So like we for simply writing a variable name and storing some values inside it, we can use let, const, and var, this type of things. But for defining a function, we have to add this function keyword before writing the function name and declaring it. Okay, as an example, if I show you, let's say we want to write a function which should print a value 10. Okay, or sum of two values. So for that, if you know uh, a programming language, it's very better. Okay, you can understand the things properly. So I will recommend if you to at first learn basics, some basics of a programming language. I will recommend C language, and then you can come to this video. So function, then we can write the function name. Let's say add. Add is the function name, and inside it we have to pass two variables, or let's say like we have to don't pass it. Just if we are calling the function, let's keep it simple for now. It should console.log that, just a second, I am from function. Okay, I am from function. So what will happen if we run it? Nothing. Why? Because we have not called the function. So we will call the function here just simply. Then if we run it, I am from function. This is printed. Okay. So like if I remove this function keyword from here, okay, it will not work. Let's run it. You can see unexpected error. But so to like define a function or make browser know that I want to run a function, we need to give that function keyword before function name and everything. Okay, then browser will understand that we are calling a function and function should do the work defined inside it. So that is the thing. Function is also a keyword in case of JavaScript. Okay, let, const, var are also keyword. So that's the thing. Now, okay, now JavaScript commands. So the commands are ignored by the JavaScript compiler. Actually, in our code, if we're writing some command, then that line will be ignored by compiler. There is multi-line command, there is single line command. Say a single line command we can give using this. Here you can see this is a single line command. Okay, let's go to the code editor, and they're simple. You can click control and slash inside your VS Code to comment something out. Okay, so simply if I go to my VS Code, and here let's write some code. Let's say console.log hello world, and I want to comment it out. So single line comment will be like that. Okay, single line comment will be like that. But for multi-line comments, let's say I have multi-line things. Let a variable, and inside it I have written, let's say, I am good, I am a, just a second, let's say this is I am good, and after that let b equals to I am great, whatever. Okay, I am great and I am good. So I want to comment it out together. Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can simply, just a second, you can simply write this type of thing. Okay, this is starting from here and this is ending here, so it is commented out. Okay, so in using these symbols you can generate or give a multi-line comment, and using this you can give a like comment the line out a single line in case of a single line. So that is the thing. Okay, so that is all about commenting. Now JavaScript data types. JavaScript provides different data types to hold different values on variables. JavaScript is a programming language which means do not need to specify the language, which means do not need to specify the type of variable. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language. Actually, dynamic programming language means you need not to like specify the type of variable. Definitely, what I have discussed before, that in different language cases, let's say in C language, we need to write the variable type. Okay, the value type which we want to store in the variable. Let's say int a equals to, then we can store 8. If we write char a, then we cannot directly store 8, we have to store a string there. Okay, inside double quote. So likewise here we need not to do those things. We can simply write let, then write the variable name, then store any type of value inside it. That is the thing, which means do not need to specify. Okay, there are two types of data type in JavaScript: primitive data type and non-primitive or reference data types. So like about the classifications, you can learn about the in depth with this, with those things. I will also discuss in some video, but for now I think it's not so much important. You can explore these things by yourself also. If I simply search on Google that primitive data types in JavaScript in JS, so you can see so many articles are there. Here also written that number, strings, boolean, null, undefined, and these things. Okay, so just for checking the type, there is a code. Okay, you can check the type also. uh, I think that was type operator. There is a operator. For now let's try it. Let's try to do it. So let in sorry let a equal to 9, and if we console.log type of, and we are using type of what, type of a, so what it should give, it should give a number. So you can see number. Okay, so that is the thing. In place of it, if we write a string, let's say I am Gaurav, so it should give the type as string. So you can see the type is given as string. Now if we write a function here, let's not write the function, let's check from here and try them one by one. Okay, so null, okay, null and undefined is also there. These are not actually so much important things, but let's check it out. An error, because null is not, like, instead of this just declare it and then done it. You can see undefined because we have not assigned any type for now. Default type is undefined for a variable. You need to remember it. Okay, so that is important point from here. Now there is also other things. You can check those out. Let's see. student, that is the thing. Okay, that should give a object, I think. So let's try it out. This is giving object, so this is the object type. Okay, we will be discussing about it later. Let's remove this student for now. Directly we are like defining our object. Okay, so the type is object. Simply let's go and uh, assign a assign boolean type here. Let's say let's go here and let's assign it with 0. Let's see, for now it's also giving 0. If we write true, sorry for the background noise, if we write true, then this is giving boolean. If we write false, then also it will give boolean. Okay, so let's write false, it also giving the output as boolean. So likewise you can check out with different type of things. Okay, I'm not elaborating these things more, you can explore these things by yourself. So that's all about the basic things of JavaScript. After that, what is there? Let's see. JavaScript identifiers also there. I think it's not so much important for now. If you know basic programming, you can like check this out from given link in the comment section of this video. Also, after that we'll be jumping to the actual Java actual thing. These are also actual thing, but we are interested in coding, right? So we'll be like jumping to those things. So yeah, that's all. And we'll also be learning about the DOM part very soon. Within 2 to 3 videos we'll be starting with the DOM. So that's all. Now, like, if you have any doubt, you can comment it down. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. So that's all for this video. Thank you.